Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're going to be talking about another very important, relevant, and trending topic in law right now. Recently, the former uh, Deputy Senate President, Senator Ekweremadu, was arrested in the United Kingdom for issues around alleged human trafficking and illegal human organ harvesting. Right? Now, he's been in detention, so people are asking if this had happened in Nigeria, what is the position of the law on this issue? Now, first, one would expect that Nigerian law prohibits illegal or prohibits human organ harvesting and sales, hoarding, pouching, and all of that. But unfortunately, it appears the law, seem to encourage it. And I will give you reasons and cite relevant provisions of the law. Now, the relevant law on this issue is the Nigeria's National Health Act of 2014. Now, this law was signed by the former president, Goodluck Jonathan. Now, this law is expected to regulate organ donation, prescribe the development and management of the country's national health system, as well as set standards for rendering health services in Nigeria. But unfortunately, the law is fraught with egregious provisions, which appears to endorse illegal human harvesting and organ pouching in Nigeria. When I read some of these provisions and did a research on before coming up with this particular content, I was shocked. So I even had to become more careful about my own life, about my own organs. All right, now let me go straight to the point. Section 48, sub 1, paragraph B of the law states that a person shall remove the tissue, blood, or blood product from another living person without his informed consent for medical investigations, take note of that, and treatment in emergency cases. Strangely enough, the interpretation section of that law, which is section 62, did not provide for the definition of the phrases medical investigation and treatment in emergency cases. The simple meaning of this omission is that anybody under the pretext of carrying out medical investigation or under the pretext of trying to treat you in an emergency case could waylay you on the road, could just catch you on the road, or catch any non-consenting living person and forcefully remove your tissue, your blood, or blood products. Now, that is not enough. Section 48, sub 2, paragraph A of the same National Health Act of 2014 states that a person shall not remove tissue which is not replaceable by natural process from a person younger than 18 years. The implication of this is that a person, and the law does not define person to be something, it just says a person. That puts everyone at risk. It means anybody, really. So, the implication of section 48 sub 2 paragraph A is that a person can remove tissue replaceable by natural processes from persons who are 19 years and above. In fact, section 49 is an ambiguously couched provision and could be greatly abused. All right, it states that this is section 49 now. So I've given you section 48 sub 1 paragraph B, then section 48 sub 2 paragraph A. Now section 49 says that a person shall use tissue removed or blood or a blood product withdrawn from a living person only for such medical or dental purposes as may be prescribed. Again, the definitions of the word tissue and the phrase medical or dental purposes are not provided for under the interpretation section of the law. So this provision does not in any way help the issue around illegal organ harvesting. Particularly the very first section I cited, which says a person can remove your tissue, can remove your organs without your informed consent on the ground that the person wants to do medical investigation. So somebody can come and say, I want to investigate your kidney. So if the law had said only a government approved medical doctor or a medical doctor who has received an order from the court to so investigate certain things can access the living a living person's organ and remove it with his consent. The law says without your consent, a person can remove your organ and use it for whatever purpose. If the person says those purposes are for medical investigation or to treat you in an emergency case, it becomes very subjective. So that puts everyone really at risk. My advice is that that law should be amended and it should be very strict, strictly prohibiting organ harvesting and organ trading. Going forward, be careful with your organs. That's just a joke. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.